Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to configure a domain for email sending in B12. By the end, you'll know how to verify and connect your domain so you can send professional emails from a custom address. From your B12 dashboard, go to Domains in the left sidebar menu. Click Add Domain to add a new one, or choose an existing domain you'd like to set up for email sending. Enter your domain, then check the box labeled Enable Email Sending from this domain. Then click Sync Domain. Choose this option only if you already have an existing email provider for your domain. If you don't have one yet, follow the instructions for setting up email forwarding to create a new custom email address. Next, log into your domain provider account when prompted. B12 will automatically update your DNS settings to complete the connection. Once your settings are updated, domain verification typically completes within 24 to 48 hours. After your domain is verified, you'll need to add at least one team member's email address to use your connected domain. Return to the dashboard menu, then click Team. Click to edit an existing team member or invite a new team member. Add in the name and the email address. You can opt for the team member to manage the website and content, or manage the account, subscription, and team members. The number of seats or team members who can access the client engagement tools depends on the plan. Click Add Seat if you need to. Click Send Invite once done. If automatic setup isn't available, here's how to connect your domain manually. In your domain settings, click Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the Email Sending Setup instructions. Here, you'll find the unique DNS records you'll need to add to your domain settings. Then, open a new browser tab and log into your domain host account. Find the DNS management or DNS zone settings for your domain. Add the unique value provided in your B12 setup instructions. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to take effect. Once verified, your email sending setup card will display configured next to each TXT record. You can now create custom send-only email addresses for your domain and start sending professional emails directly from B12. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.